It's at the home of the chairman of the Orlando Pirates Club, Dr. Irvin Khoza. May his soul rest in peace. Just happy Chele. It's a lovely little ball for him as well. And a great opportunity. It's more than that. It's a goal.
Lodge, one touch. Peters completely caught. In fact, it was a brilliant take. It was a no-look type of touch, because he's not looking, he's looking at the ball and suddenly turns the foot just to redirect it towards goal. And very difficult for the goalkeeper, but it's from a long pass. Defensive line caught flat-footed a little bit high, which was the question that you were asking. Do you play the individual or do you stick to the game plan? That for me is what happened here.
Kabadinho Mhango looking for the return pass, beg your pardon. Wasn't Mhango. Second Mako, there's a chance for another goal. And Mhango might not have had the first touch, but he does get the second and increases his tally in the league to 12 goals as Pirates double the lead just 10 minutes in.
This game reminds me of the Orlando Pirates that played Polokwane, and that's how it opened up for Mhango. And just a little bit of pressure. And from this time around, I think Highlands Park trying to build from the back, and it's a misplaced part that eventually catches them. And how quick Orlando Pirates took advantage of that. And Mhango so quick off the mark in rounding the goalkeeper.
The run behind the defence is to be watched by Kyle Peters as the second Marco looking for his first goal of the campaign. He's joining from Chipper United. Here's Ronnie Ramagalela. That could have gone anywhere, William. Again, Wayne Sandilands maybe just doing enough in front of Peter Shalulile, who's working his socks off here for Highlands Park. Bogani Sam, it's a good ball as well from Sam. It's a lovely goal too, beautifully made up from Kabadinho Mhango. And he converts the opportunity that he creates. So beg your pardon, it's not, it's Marco. Grabs his first goal of the season, I do beg your pardon. Marco with a little cut in, some work to do. Waited patiently. Pirates could go into half-time leading by 3 goals to 0.
You've got to give it to Marco, because he had to work hard to get himself into that attacking space, cutting to the right, to his weaker foot, and yet he made took an excellent shot with his right foot, hitting the goalkeeper bottom right corner.
Highlands Park, who showed some good form up towards half-time, but he has a great opportunity. I tell you what, Peters pulls off the save of the match. What an excellent header that was.
Let the header alone, but that's the quality of the set piece taken, how it curls away from the goalkeeper into the own running play on the far side. Was it Hapichele Makaringa? Oh, perfectly weighted.
Ball forward here by Bevan Fransman. Second ball for Shalulile.
Yep, it's not happening. But excellently done by Mvala. Remember, this is a team that, for the most part of the first round, they played a lot from the second ball. That just played from a higher position, with Mvala getting to the end of the long pass and Shalulile picking up the pieces. And they scored quite a number of goals from similar situations.
This is Mokhaila. Own goal territory. No, says Sandilands.
He's had a mixed game, Sandilands. The moments where you thought, what is he doing? And just when you're thinking he has a problem, and suddenly he turns out with a brilliant tip over like that.
Quality. Bart into the middle. Sandilands outrageous. Goes 2 for 2 in the space of 30 seconds.
Well, somehow someone needs to keep that button on. It looks like it's a switch, it turns on and off. But this time around, it was on.
Rodney Ramagalela, renowned goal scorer, that's proper. Nice touch in the midfield as well for Highlands Park, and Fortune Makaringe Here comes Mbunjana with a shot and a cracking goal for Highlands Park. Does that open the taps a little bit?
I think Wayne Sunderland will be a little bit disappointed with that. I think he gets caught a little bit off his line, but he doesn't seem to make good contact with the ball as he tries to tips it over. And this goal includes all the other close shaves that he's had.
Mhango